Hello, millennials and Gen Z. So here we are with our small scale representation. Suppose we have the input, the cat sat on the mat. First, it converted into token ID like this, 23323, each token represented by the unique token ID. Suppose the token ID is 23, so it again comes down over here, so it again 23 over here. So like it first it converted into the token IDs, then it converted into the vectors. So here the gets converted into four-dimensional vector because we are representing it in a hypothetical small scale order. That's why we take four-dimensional vector. But in actual, these are like this. So ChatGPT 2 have that vector dimension sizes 1600. There we see it's a four-dimensional vector, right? But actually ChatGPT 2 have 1600 dimension, and ChatGPT 3 have 12,228 dimension, like this. 7 billion parameter is 4096. So what does this 4096 represent is this is 4. Instead of this there are 4096 different numbers in commas in array. That is the dimension of a vector. So all these first we give the input gets its token IDs represented in token IDs, then token IDs converted into the token vectors like this.